Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch touchscreen special for Toyota Corolla. This box, let me unbox. Okay, you can check the head unit with good condition. Okay. Okay, this is unit. Let me remove the unit and introduce harnesses first. You can check this harness, special harness with canvas box, canvas decoder. Okay, let me show the connect. It comes with the radio antenna. This radio, this radio antenna. Okay. And the other connect you can check. This is speaker. And this power. Okay. This is the install parts. GPS antenna. And original USB. External microphone ports. And the 2 USB. Okay. This is external microphone. Camera in. Camera input. Okay. And video in. Video input. AUX input left and right. And this audio cable, this subwoofer, and video out 1 and video out 2. Audio combo front and rear, left and right. Okay. You can check this special for Toyota Corolla. This is drum agent. Okay. You can check side. Right side. Okay, left side. And the back. This GPS and power port. This fuse, and the connectors. This radio, Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. You can check front. And this kit. Okay. Let me power the head unit. We power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start. Okay. Okay, let me check the size. You can check it's about 44 cm, and the screen is 27 cm. It's 410 5 15, about 15. Okay, please take out this screen protector before using. You can check this UI interface with octa core with a fast response. You can install wallpaper. Here is the microphone, GPS card slot. Reset. Okay, you can check very fast speed. You can check the system. But motion you can check model is PX5 and Android version is 8.0 Oreo. Okay, you can change this button color with car elements. You can choose red, change red color, green, blue, and also can adjust. Okay, that's all. Thank you.